Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change home screen sliding effects in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. This is home screen. If you slide, this is the effect. Okay, transition effect is now in use. Okay, if you would like to change this sliding effects, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of your phone first, then go to lock screen and wallpaper and click on home settings, and here select sliding effects. By default it is set to translation. Okay, then next option is jumping. See the preview. Then this one, superposition, then fading, then flip. Wow, flip is very super. I would like to use it. Okay, just I go back and see here. So in this way you can easily change sliding effects for home screen in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.